If you own an Android smartphone or tablet, then it is currently vulnerable to a zero-day exploit where an attacker could gain access to your sensitive data if they're able to get a hold of it. There's even a remote vulnerability that has been discovered where an attacker can gain privileged access to your device remotely, even if they don't have your phone. These exploits are being patched in the February 2025 security update for Android, but we all know how many OEMs can drag their feet on these updates. Even the Galaxy S25 series currently only has access to the December security update as of recording this video. This week, Google published its details regarding the February 2025 security update for Android. Eligible Google Pixel devices can install this update right now, but others will need to wait for that over-the-air update notification to appear. This security update comes with close to 50 patches for CVE vulnerabilities, most of which are rated as a high severity issue that should be addressed as soon as possible. But one is listed as critical for those who own a device with a Qualcomm chipset. This patch is vital, though, as it could lead to a remote attacker gaining access to your sensitive data. But it's actually this high severity kernel exploit, though, that seems to be getting most of the headlines this week. And this is likely due to it being a zero-day vulnerability that is currently being used under limited exploitation. A zero-day vulnerability is one that was discovered by an actual hacker group and was then turned into an exploit before companies like Google and Samsung were informed about it. So if your smartphone or tablet has an old security patch installed, even if it's from January 2025, then you need to install the February update as soon as the over-the-air notification is available. Zero-day exploits are no joke, and they have shown to cause a ton of damage to devices around the world. With over 3 billion active Android devices in the wild right now, it seems clear this local vulnerability is going to be abused. And these types of exploits are becoming more and more prevalent these days. Google says there were 97 zero days exploited in 2023, and that's up from 62 the previous year, equating to an increase of more than 50%. So we're expected to see even more discovered in 2025. It will always be a good idea to install security updates as soon as they become available. And many people should even consider which companies have the best track record when it comes to rolling out these updates. Or else you'll get a phone like the Galaxy S25, which was just recently moved down to only getting security updates every 3 months. And it's going to be retired from getting these updates very soon. Let me know what you think about these over-the-air security updates down in the comments section below. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.